Hello, my name is Oluwabemiga Shalu, and this is my video tutorial for my sound editor for media technology. As you can see, I'm loading the WAV file. That's the first file being loaded. This is the second file being loaded. As you can see, I'm able to load files. I'm now going to play the WAV files. As a limitation, I'm unable to play without adjusting the volume and the speed of the sound. This is because of the extra features, and I was not able to find a workaround. As you can see, the first wave was played. Now for the second wave. As you can see, the second wave was played. Also, the wave name and the duration are displayed for the user. I'm now going to sample the wave. So I'll sample the first one starting from 13 to 25, and we get this. I'm now going to sample the second wave from 13 to 25. You'll see that this will change. Stop is an extra feature which clears the sound that's being played. I'm now going to join both waves together and play them by clicking join sample, then play the dead sample. This will now change also. As you can hear, both waves were played. And an additional feature I added was increasing the volume. So if I increase the slider, it gets the value from the slider and multiplies it by the sample rate to increase the volume. So here we go. The same can also be done for wave 2. And now back down again. And now back down again for this. I'm also able to speed up the wave by using the slider wave, which gets the value of the slider and adds it to the sample rate. So here we go. If I move this and then play, you can see also I'm able to slow the wave down using the speed minus slider, which does the opposite. So it subtracts the value of the sliders from the sample rate, and each slider for the speed range from 0 to 2000. So example. The only limitation of this is that I can't change the speed of the volume while the wave is being played. So the slider value has to be initiated first. Another thing that I've added is the echo. This is used by this button and the slider, which indicates the alpha value of the wave which is being played, because the sound wave is played twice, one after the first at a delay. So here we go. As you can hear, there's no echo at the moment. If I stop and then move the slider up and play, let me just reduce the speed. You can hear. As you can hear, there's an echo. It's better once you are able to hear a voice. That's that. And to listen to it without the echo, sorry, to listen to it without the echo, see, no echo. Also, you are able to play in reverse. The end of this sound is empty at the moment, that's why it's quiet. But once it starts, you're able to play in reverse. Stop. You can also save the file. Edited sound wave to save, and I will show you that it's been saved by loading it. Edited sound wave to, there we go. I'm now able to play this. Also, I tried to add an L button which opens the document up within MATLAB, which will be a user guide for users. This works better when the file is saved as a text file, not a document file. And the last feature I've added is the exit and the cropped, which I'm having problems with at the moment. But nothing happens, which is also a limitation. But the exit feature works like this. Thank you for watching.